Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's Mary Beth Temple from Hooked for Life with Mary Beth Temple, and in this video we're going to take a look at the embroidery for Mr. Carrot Nose, which is a cute little crocheted snowman ornament, and the pattern is available on the Hooked for Life blog, and I will put a link in the description. And the crocheting part of it and the assembly part of it is pretty easy to do just following along on the pattern, but a lot of people had questions about how to embroider the carrot nose, so that's what this video is about. So let me get rid of my friend here and we will take a look at the embroidery. I just used some scrap yarn, and this is just a piece of single crochet fabric so that you could see exactly what I'm doing. So I tied a knot in the end, and it's a pretty big knot, and while I'm not generally fond of knots in crochet, I'm not going to go crazy weaving the end in because it's going to be on the inside of the snowman, which is near the the plastic or the glass ball, so I don't care that there's a knot there. There's not going to be any durability issues. So the instructions tell you to bring the yarn up and then bring it down on an angle. And again, this is more art than science. If it looks right to you, it's in the right place. So that's the first strand of our carrot nose. And then the second one wants to be a little farther down. Maybe here, you know, wherever you want. But you want it to not be in the same hole as you came in the first time, and you want it to be wider at the top than it is at the bottom. But now down here you're going to go back in the exact same hole. So this is going to give us the outline of our carrot. So it's pointy down here and a little farther apart up here. So now I want to come up one more time, and I want to be close to this hole, but not in the exact same hole, because if I bring it up in the exact same hole, of course it will come out, and I don't want that to happen. So the instructions tell you to come up on the right and go down through the center, but don't catch the single crochet fabric, and then come up through the left and down through the center, up from the right, down through the center. So we came up on the right hand side, down through the center, but don't catch. And now we're up on the left, down through the center, but don't catch. So I'm weaving back and forth, but I'm not weaving through the single crochet fabric because I want my guy to have some depth. And I'm not pulling this super tight, because if I pull it super tight, it's going to not look like a carrot, it's going to look like a knot. So really all I'm doing is alternating sides. So that was up on the left, down through the center. I'm using my finger. I might make that a little bit tighter. It really, again, when you are happy with how it looks, then it's right. So I'm up on the right, down through the center without catching, up on the left, down through the center without catching. So that's really all there is to it. I'm going to do this over and over and over until there's no more room. We're running out of space here, but I want it to be pretty tightly packed. Again, because he's going to hang on the tree or on your wreath or whatever, he's not going to have, I mean, unless your kitty cat gets to him. But it's not going to be like it's on a garment or a door wreath or something that is going to have a lot of wear and tear. So now that I have that just as full as I want to be, now I'm going to go through the single crochet fabric and bring it to the back of the work. and fasten off by weaving in an end like I would for any other crochet project. And I'm not worried about the orange showing through the white here because the little carrot nose is on top of there anyway. And again, I'm not worried about durability because this side of the fabric is going to be up against the glass ornament. And that's all there is to that. That's how you make your little carrot nose for your snowman ornament. And again, the link to the whole pattern is in the description. So thanks so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to the channel for fresh content weekly on knitting, crocheting, general crafts, sewing, whatever floats my boat. I am a multi-crafty kind of gal and I like to share it all with you. So please subscribe to the channel and we'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.